Bistoon is a historical complex located about 30 kilometers east of Kermanshah, known as one of the most prestigious ancient sites in the world. In 2006, UNESCO added the Bistoon complex and its natural landscapes to the World Heritage List. The Bistoon archaeological site lies at the base of Bistoon Mountain, near Kermanshah's ancient road to Hamedan, a route steeped in Aryan history and civilization. This culturally rich area encompasses relics from various historical periods. Artifacts from prehistoric, pre-Islamic, and post-Islamic eras indicate a history in Bistoon that stretches back 70,000 years. Over centuries, life has persisted in Bistoon without interruption. The mountain is also significant for its sports appeal, as Bistoon Kermanshah has the world's seventh highest rock face. The region's pleasant climate, historical depth, and religious importance have made it a popular destination for both local and international tourists. The name Bistoon originates from the ancient Persian word Bistoon, meaning gods. Bistoon's trilingual inscription. The trilingual inscription at Bistoon commemorates the first year of Darius the Great's reign. It tells of the year Darius spent quelling various rebellions and consolidating his power. Following these victories, Darius ordered this significant inscription to be placed at Bistoon, near an ancient road, to inform his people and posterity of his achievements. The relief, known as the Darius and the Captives, is 3 meters tall and 5.5 meters wide, depicting Darius in traditional Persian attire, with an Assyrian-style beard and flanked by officers. Darius is shown larger than the captives, emphasizing the grandeur of the assembly. His height is 1.7 to 2 meters, while the captives are depicted at 117 meters. Behind him stand 2 of his 7 companions, the archer Winfreda and the guard Gobras. Darius, holding a bow in his left hand, rests his left foot on his first adversary, Gamata, who raises his hands in supplication. Behind Gamata, 28 more captives are shown. Above the captives is the figure of Pharaoh Bahar, a symbol of devotion to Ahura Mazda, with Darius raising his right hand in reverence. Today, 28 historical monuments at the Bistoon site are registered on the National Monuments List of Iran, and 13 of these, including Darius's inscription, are part of the UNESCO World Heritage List. Notable monuments at Bistoon. The statue of Hercules. This statue, discovered on the hillside during the construction of the Hamedan Kermanshah Road, portrays a powerful figure lying under a tree with a cup of wine in his left hand and his right leg extended. An inscription from the Seleucid era is located behind it. Known as the Bistoon Spring, this natural spring has been essential to the area's human settlement since the Paleolithic period, and served as a key rest spot for travelers from central and western Iran to Mesopotamia. Many of Bistoon's historical monuments surround the spring. Named after the legendary lover Farhad, this wall stretches 200 meters long and 36 meters high. Though some believe it dates to the Achaemenid period, or theories suggest it may have been intended as an inscription or relief during the Sassanid era under Khosrow Parviz. However, the work was left incomplete following his fall. Shah Abbasi caravanserai, built during the Safavid era by order of Shah Abbas I, and completed under Shah Suleiman. This historical caravanserai served as a rest stop for travelers. It was recognized as a National Heritage Site of Iran on August 4, 1974. Safavid era, by order of Shah Abbas I and completed under Shah Suleiman. This historical caravanserai served as a rest stop for travelers. It was recognized as a National Heritage Site of Iran on August 4, 1974.